Ever felt like your online booking system was playing hide and seek with your clients? Like they're desperately searching for a link, any link, to book that appointment and nothing? Just a frustrating dead end? You're not alone. We've all been there, that online booking limbo, where clients vanish because the process is just too darn complicated. Today, we're diving deep into a question that's probably been bugging you, especially if you're using Square Appointments. Does Square Appointments actually have a link? And if so, how do you wield this magical link to fill your calendar with appointments? Let's face it, in today's digital age, if you don't have a direct, shareable link to your booking page, you're essentially invisible. Think about it. We live in a world of instant access. People want to click, book, and get on with their day. They don't want to navigate through endless menus or search for hidden buttons. Every extra click is a potential lost client. That's why the simplicity of a direct link is absolutely crucial. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of Square Appointments links, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a busy hairstylist, a personal trainer, or a massage therapist. Your days are packed, and you're constantly juggling clients. You know that having a smooth online booking system is essential for minimizing no-shows and maximizing your revenue. But here's the kicker. How do you get those clients to book in the first place? You need to make it as easy as possible. You need to put that booking link everywhere: your website, your social media, your email signature, even your text messages. It's the digital equivalent of putting a big, bright, open for business sign in your virtual storefront. And that's where Square Appointments comes into play. It's a powerful tool designed to streamline your booking process. But the question remains, does it deliver on the fundamental need for a direct, shareable link? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. But it's not just about having a link. It's about understanding how to leverage it effectively. So let's break it down. Square Appointments provides you with a unique, customizable booking link. This link takes your clients directly to your online booking page, where they can see your availability, select services, and book appointments in just a few clicks. This is the key to minimizing friction and maximizing bookings. But how do you find this link? It's not always immediately apparent. The process is relatively straightforward. You'll need to navigate to your Square Appointments dashboard, typically accessible through your Square account online. Within the dashboard, you'll find a section dedicated to your online booking settings. This is where you can customize your booking page, set your availability, and, importantly, locate your booking link. The location of this link can change slightly depending on updates to the Square interface, so always look for options related to online booking, booking site, or share link. Once you locate it, you can copy it and paste it wherever you need it. Now, simply having the link isn't enough. You need to strategically place it to ensure maximum visibility. Think about where your clients are likely to spend their time online. First and foremost, your website is a must-have. Embed the link directly into your website's booking button or create a dedicated Book Now page. Make it prominent and easy to find. Don't bury it in a footer or hide it behind multiple layers of navigation. Simplicity is key. Next, consider your social media presence. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are powerful tools for attracting new clients and keeping existing ones engaged. Include your booking link in your bio, post it in your stories, and share it in your posts. Make it easy for your followers to book an appointment with you directly from their favorite social media platforms. Remember, consistency is crucial. The more you share your link, the more opportunities you create for bookings. Email marketing is another essential channel for promoting your booking link. Include it in your email signature, send out newsletters announcing new services or promotions, and use it in automated appointment reminders. Make it easy for your clients to book or reschedule appointments with a simple click. Personalization is also valuable. You can even create custom links for specific promotions or events. And don't forget the power of text messaging. In today's fast-paced world, people are constantly on their phones. Sending a text message with your booking link is a quick and effective way to remind clients about upcoming appointments or promote last-minute openings. You can also use text messaging to send personalized booking links to individual clients, making the booking process even more convenient. However, generating the link is only part of the equation. You need to optimize your booking page to ensure a seamless and positive experience for your clients. This means ensuring that your page is mobile-friendly, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Use high-quality photos of your services, write clear and concise descriptions, and make sure your pricing is transparent. You want your clients to feel confident and excited about booking an appointment with you. Another crucial aspect of optimizing your booking page is to streamline the booking process. Minimize the number of steps required to book an appointment. Ask for only the essential information and make it easy for clients to select their preferred date and time. You can also offer features like online payment and appointment confirmations to enhance the overall experience. Let's talk about customization. Square Appointments offers a range of customization options that allow you to personalize your booking page to reflect your brand. You can add your logo, choose your brand colors, and customize the layout of your page. This helps create a cohesive and professional look that reinforces your brand identity. Consider adding client testimonials or reviews to your booking page to build trust and credibility. Social proof can significantly influence a client's decision to book an appointment. Additionally, leverage Square Appointments reporting features to track your booking data and identify areas for improvement. Analyze your booking trends to understand which services are most popular, which days and times are busiest, and which marketing channels are most effective. This data can help you optimize your booking strategy and maximize your revenue. Now, a common question that pops up is, can I create different links for different services or staff members? The answer is yes, with some workarounds. While Square Appointments primarily offers a single primary booking link, you can utilize the service item linking feature to achieve similar outcomes. You can create unique URLs for specific services, allowing you to direct clients to the exact service they're looking for. This can be especially useful for promoting specific services or packages. While a direct staff member link is more limited, you can specify staff members and their available service offerings on the primary booking link. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.